Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another unboxing of another Skymarks model that I just got in the mail today. It's a big one. It's the Delta Airlines 747-400. So I always wanted to get this plane back when I was in aviation about 5 or 6 years ago, but I never did. But now I finally have it, and I'm super excited to get into this. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. So I got this model from a website called jet.com, and it was actually, I got it for a really good deal. It was about $37 including shipping. So yeah, quite a good deal. Let's go ahead and take this off. And there is the box. Okay, so wow, this looks really nice. So this does have the landing gear. It's not put on right now, but I'll put that on when we put it together. Registration on this is November 661 Uniform Sierra. This is a really big box. So this is 1 to 200 scale. Let's go ahead and get into it. There we go, here's the fuselage. And right here we have the landing gear. Oops. So we're going to go ahead and put this on right now. And the other side. Okay, I finally got the main gear on. That was a pain to get on, but let's move on here and see what else is in the bottom of the box. So over here we have the Skymarks brochure, like all the other models do. Here's the bottom of the box with the stand, the wings, and the engines. Let's go ahead and put the wings on right now. So the wings also have the main gear as well. Okay. And here's the other wing. And then the stabilizers are also with the stand. So Delta, Boeing 747-400, scale 1 to 200. And finally, let's get out the stabilizers here. And then these fit like this. That looks good. And finally, here are the engines right here. Three. And last one. Oops, that's not on all the way. Hold on. There we go. Alright. So here is the model. It looks really nice. Of course, like all Skymarks models, this is resin with plastic wings and engines. But let's go ahead and look at some of the details of this. The front, you see the windshield wipers, the SkyTeam logo, the front door, the Delta titles, all the windows. Wing details are pretty good. They're not painted at all. There's just kind of, you can see the flaps and slats. That's no big deal though. Still looks really good. And then of course the 4 engines and the registration, November 661 Uniform Sierra, the Delta tail, and looking on the bottom is nothing but the blue belly. So alright, let's put it on the stand and just get one more look at it. Alright, so here it is on the stand. It looks really good. I'm going to put this up above my glass display case where all my models are at, because this will not fit in the case. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I've got a couple more models coming in the next few weeks, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Take care, guys, and I will see you later.